Accu-Chek Simple Blood Glucose Monitoring System helps you to check and monitor your blood glucose level safely and accurately in the comforts of your home. Every Accu-Chek Simple Blood Glucose Monitoring System Accu-Chek blood glucose meter, a carrying case, one AAA battery, an instruction manual, a warranty card, 25 T-strips, a lancing device, and 10 lancets. Blood glucose levels can be monitored in 3 types of blood samples: fasting, PP, and random. Fasting sample can be taken 12 hours after the last meal. PP sample can be collected 2 hours from light breakfast. And random blood glucose can be tested at any time during the day. Before using the device, equip yourself with the instruction and safety notes laid down in the instruction manual. Insert one AAA battery and shut the compartment. Using the settings button, set date and time and milligrams per deciliter on the device. To initiate the measurement, firstly take one lancet and put it in the lancing device. And then close the device. You can adjust the depth of the prick by adjusting the lancing device. Keep the lancing device ready for pricking by pulling the device from behind. Then open the strip vial. Take one strip and insert it into the Accu-Chek Simple Blood Glucose Meter. The Accu-Chek Simple Blood Glucose Meter will indicate blue light confirming the settings. Wash your hands properly before testing and prick the index finger with the lancing device. Bring the strip and the glucometer close to the blood drop and allow it to draw the desired tiny 0.5 UL of blood for testing. The device will start automatically with the downward counting from 8 seconds. The device will display blood glucose level in milligrams per deciliter units. Please refer the instruction manual for normal and diabetic range, and also consult your doctor for better understanding. To view previous reading, press the memory button. Now remove the lancet from the lancing device and dispose it off carefully. Strip once used cannot be used again. The lancet should not be reused by you or anyone else. Therefore, carefully dispose of the strip to avoid any infections. Accu-Chek, a leader in self-healthcare industry, now with its simple blood glucose monitoring system, makes blood glucose measurement simple, convenient and accurate. For more information,